Many patients that we see have had perfect vision all their life. And what's happened as they hit their mid-40s is they can't read anymore. It's very frustrating. Some of them have also lost some distance vision. So it depends on whether they're nearsighted or farsighted. For nearsighted patients, we tend to lean towards more of a laser procedure rather than an intraocular procedure. And we can give them reading vision by giving them what's called monovision, where one eye is corrected for distance and one eye corrected for reading. If they're quite farsighted or extremely nearsighted, the best procedure quite often is doing a lens exchange, because the human lens has lost its ability to read when you're in your 40s and older. And putting a new lens in gives them the option of monovision, as it does with laser, but it also gives them the option of using a lens that can give them both distance and reading vision.